Hello and thanks for watching. Today I'm visiting Switzer Falls. It's a two-tiered waterfall located deep in Arroyo Sequit Canyon. There's both an upper 50-foot falls that drops into a lower 15-foot falls. Today we'll be visiting the lower 15-foot waterfall. It's 3.9 miles out and back. This place gets really busy on the weekends. If you come after 10 a.m., you may have to park in the upper parking lot, and that'll add an extra half a mile to your hike. The bottom of the canyon is cool and shaded. There's a dense forest all around. Commodore Perry Switzer founded a 20-room resort here in the 1880s. Visitors used to come here by mule. At around a mile, you will see the remains of Switzer's resort in the form of a stone wall ruins and cabin foundations. The resort suffered damage from flooding in the 1930s and was demolished in the 1950s. Soon you will come to a fork where you will make a right to get to Bear Canyon. From here, it's a steep uphill climb. A chain link fence protects you from falling into the canyon. Over 100 people have died falling down the cliff. You can see remnants of a stone chapel that once held Sunday service above the falls. Take a look at the arched window from inside of the church. You can still see a section of it today. They had to demolish the church with dynamite since it was a safety hazard. This next section was no joke, it was just a straight cliff. At the next junction, you'll hang a left and descend to the creek bed. You'll come across an old abandoned car engine. Ahead is the 15-foot waterfall that runs into a small pool surrounded by rock walls. It's funny how the waterfall looks so much larger in pictures. I feel kind of cheated that I didn't get to see the 50-foot falls. I saw the 15-foot appetizer, but I missed the 50-foot meal. I read online that it could be challenging and even dangerous to try and reach the main 50-foot waterfall. Overall, the journey was much better than the destination. I learned a little history, I got to experience some nature, and I got good exercise. It was a total package. I'll see you guys in the next waterfall. Thanks for watching.